Hello everyone! Today we're stepping right into a golf cart factory. Let's take an immersive tour together. Look around, and you'll see all kinds of golf carts here, from basic models for daily use to custom-built ones for specific needs. We've got pretty much everything covered. First, check out these bent steel tubes. They're not sourced from outside. Our factory processes and bends straight steel tubes in-house. And if you look over there, we also handle all the welding and assembly ourselves. From raw materials to semi-finished products, we control the quality every step of the way. No outsourcing at all. Next, let's get up close. This golf cart being assembled right now has super detailed internal work. See how neat the layout of its electric conversion kit is. Plus, all the wire connections are wrapped in higher grade waterproof material. No more worrying about moisture causing issues. Waterproof performance is maxed out. here, workers are installing the rear cargo box onto the cart body. This just goes to show our factory has fully independent assembly capabilities. Every part, from the frame to the cargo box, is put together by our team, super reliable. Moving to another corner of the factory, this is the semi-finished product testing area. Every golf cart that's almost fully assembled has to go through strict inspections. We check the steering, power system, and electrical circuits. Only the ones that pass all tests get to leave the factory. We never cut corners on safety. After exploring the first floor, let's head up to the second floor. There are stacks of golf cart frames here, plus lots of semi-finished carts that just got their basic structure. It's like a little golf cart workshop, waiting to be turned into road-ready finished products step by step. Let's highlight this part that's currently being assembled in the factory. Look at its rear cargo bed. It's made of double-layer thickened aluminum alloy. The space is roomy enough for tools or daily supplies. Now check the seats. They're PU leather with specially designed foam, like a small sofa. The firmness is just right. You won't feel tired even after sitting for a long time. Comfort level is off the charts. Don't miss the small details either. The rear taillights have a yellow-red-white color scheme, high visibility day and night. Up front, there's a 10-inch IP66 waterproof combination LCD screen. It shows vehicle status info and has in-car entertainment features. Whether you're checking the battery level or speed, you can see it clearly at a glance, no squinting to find the data. The vehicle glass is DOT certified acrylic folding glass made specifically for golf carts, so safety is guaranteed. Last but not least, a super practical design. With such a big cargo bed, are you worried it might shake? We thought of that. We added a dedicated, automatic latch design. When you turn off the cart and park, the latch automatically locks the cargo bed tightly. It's super stable. If you need manual control, there's also a button next to the seat. Just press it to operate. Super convenient.